Okay, here's my melody.
Sylvian!
Oh, that's not what you were hoping for? Okay. Then how about this? Look, I bet this is the my melody you're talking about. Hold on. Hello, Kitty, eh? Okay. Kitty, is it you? I'm not Kitty, and I'm a dog. And I'm Bluey, you know that. Oh. Well, in that case, I'm sorry, Bluey. It was just for a video. Oh, God! Oh, here's Hello Kitty. Is this Hello Kitty? Look. Wendy? Okay. Hey, are you that Wendy kid?
No, I'm not. Have you no shame?
I'm sorry. Sorry. You're supposed to be in love with me.
Whatever.
Okay, is this Wendy? I bet you might be impressed. Bitso? Okay.
United States, Canada, Mexico.
Hey, stop the song. Are you Bitso?
No. Are you kidding me? Who's that? Oh, it's just you, Annalise. Why are you taping me?
Sorry, Yakko. Okay, I'm just gonna pause camera. Sorry.
It's fine. I don't want to be in a random video that you didn't tell me about.
Is this Helluva Boss or Bitso, whatever his name is? Look it looks like Helluva Boss music. Nezuko, eh? Okay.
I love you, Muffin. Can I eat you? Are you filming me, Annalise?
Sorry, Nezuko.
Who's Nezuko? I'm not Nezuko.
Go ask the guy on TV. Oh, okay. Sorry, Wacko. Is this Nezuko? Look it. You want me to do Karami, eh? Okay.
Okay, little bro, you have to get this thing right. No, Pichu. Are you filming me? Yeah, you.
Sorry, Karami.
Hey, we're not Karami.
Oh. I'm sorry, Pichu Bros. I'm sorry.
Oh. Have you not seen the guy on TV was actually Karami? Yeah, he was spectacular.
Okay, I'll tape him. I bet this is Karami. You want me to do 11? Alright. Hi 11. Oh, Isabel, I'm just filming you. Oh my God. Okay. I'll see if that guy on TV is actually 11, okay? You want me to do Beluga Cat? Okay. Thank God it's Friday. Oh my God. Hey, aren't you the girl that... Garfield, stop pouncing on me! Oh yeah, one more thing. He just said, I have to check the TV. I didn't get to that part. Okay, let's see if what I'm watching right now is, Beluga Cat. Okay, since this is my last request of the day, well, actually for this compilation, I guess you guys really want SpongeBob, but here he is.